Kitty.
Looked like he had part of a tennis ball in his mouth down here. I'm going to see what this is. Yep. As you know, Dobby loves to eat these things, so we're going to put that in our pocket and call it trash. That's trash too. Yeah, we don't need little parts of toys, do we? Like this stick, huh? Lots of trash. Yep. Dog's point of view, they see all this. I don't. Oh, yuck. Put it in my pocket. Hi. Hi. That's not your poop bag, is it? Right there? Okay. No, there's one that's used on the ground. I'll take it up. Not a very exciting part of the dog park, is it? Plenty enough stuff so Dobby won't chew it. I know they're little pieces, but he had an obstruction last year, so I do my due diligence. And other dogs, I'm sure, would ingest it too. Swallow it. Okay, now what's this? That's cloth. That would be easily ingested. I wonder what Dobby's up to. Oh, there's a good steak. He liked that one. That's a really good one. Yeah, that. Should have gone to Chatfield. Yeah, it's starting. birds flying in. Drawback to here is very little vegetation, even in the summer. Down here fills in, but up here it never fills in because there's nothing. Oh, he's got a chase. Good. No. Hey, Dobby. Comes this little pooch. So cute. Oh, hi. Dobby, you want to come up top? Let's go up top. We can dump out the trash and the dog poo I picked up. Well, in a bag. Look at that little puppy. Oh my gosh, your puppy's so cute. Is that your puppy, the white one? Oh, so...
His first time from here, I was the same friend like him.
Yo, yeah? Well, he's doing very good. He knows to run. Is that husky?
No, it's a Shiba Inu.
Oh, Shiba Inu. Okay. So cute. So little. Yeah.
Maybe you get along well with the other dog.
Yeah. Dobby's got cattle dog and
Which one did you have?
the little one. The little one. Yeah, he's a husky mix. He's got cattle dog in him. So he loves to try to herd. And with little ones, that means putting their head in his mouth. But he doesn't ever bite or anything. But
What kind of dog is?
he's a husky mix.
Oh.
I had his DNA done. He's got 30% Australian cattle dog, 50% Siberian husky, and 20% American bully.
Wow.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, I think my dog is the one.
Oh, he's way smaller. How heavy is he?
He weighs 45 pounds.
45.
Yeah.
Like, the bigger they get, it's exponentially more
Wow.
heavy. Right.
Yeah, he's weighed the same for like, I don't know, for a year and a half. It's kind of crazy. What's your puppy's name?
Nobu.
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 Nobu, how many months old are you? 4 months old? And you're so good with the other dogs. You're not even scared.
Surprised me.
Yeah, he's not even scared.
He's getting better.
Like when you first dumped him, he's like so scared.
Oh, I
Tail
bet.
just go all the way down. I was like,
Yeah. He's
It's
really
still,
cute.
It's still kind of not curled
Yeah,
up.
right.
Because it's curled up all the time because he's nervous.
Mm.
And then,
No, but baby. Good boy.
Like that, when he's not nervous all the way up. Yeah.
just like that.
Oh, it's part way up, he's a little nervous, I guess. All the way down, he's, yeah, no way. Get me out of here. Save me, save me.
First time with strange dogs.
Hi, how are you? You're so cute. You're so cute.
What's your dog name?
Dobby?
Yeah.
Dobby, like the house elf in Harry Potter.
Yeah, that's what happens.
D-O-B-B-Y. Yeah. You said Inu?
Yeah, Shiba.
Okay. Shiba Inu. He's a purebred, I take it.
Yeah.
He's so pretty. 4 months old. So stinking cute. Yeah, I wish I could say that more.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Dobby just not sure what to do because he's like, well, this guy is like, he's not afraid of me. But he wants me to play a little bit, but don't be too rough, Dobby. You know to be nice to the puppies. Be nice to the little ones. So stinking cute.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to have the shots done so you can let it
Right.
This isn't a fence. So it's not-
Good. Good boy.
Thanks for checking in.
So I have a YouTube channel, and he's going to be on it. Yeah, you are.
I start my YouTube too.
Yeah.
Like, with his.
Oh, okay. We
Yes.
should subscribe to each other's.
Right. What's the name?
Well, it's under.
Channel?
It's at Husky Dobby is the handle. At Husky Dobby. Yeah, Dobby. The channel name is Dog Park TV for dogs with Dobby.
I just started, but then I got him.
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah, we need to support each other, huh?
Yeah. So I got Shiba Inu. It's mine.
Did you get?
No, I don't know. This one is good for the picture. This one.
Oh, okay. This is for the picture. Hi, beautiful. Oh, you're so I love your purple harness.
So what's it yours again?
It's if you search for Dog Park TV, dogs, TV for dogs with Dobby, then it should come up. Curious, smelling it.
Ever?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah, if
okay.
you subscribe and then put a
Subscribe.
comment on like one of my newer videos, and I'll subscribe to you. Cool. Yeah, and I put the date of the dog park adventure. You should go to Chatfield. We came here today.
Oh, yeah, this is a sad food one, I can tell.
Yeah. There's some
Is it nice
from.
down there?
I'm sorry.
Is the Chatfield one nice?
Oh yeah, it's 66 acres,
Oh my god.
and
And it's
yeah.
all completely fenced
it's
in
all
for
fenced
60
in.
acres?
66
That's
acres.
insane.
I know it is. That's why I have this, because I lost Dobby a couple times. But now he knows to meet me at the gate if we get separated. But he blends in. You know, they have the tall golden grass, and he totally blends in with everything there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll take him there when he gets a little older.
Yeah.
We're still working on making sure he comes when I call him.
Yeah, the recall's good to work
Right.
on that when he's young.
Right. He's doing okay.
Yeah.
You know, once he gets his mind on something else, he
Oh, yeah.
doesn't really register. But
Did
like I
you-
said, it was nice that he came and checked in and played a little
Uh-huh.
bit and then came back to make sure we were still here. So
Yeah.
Did you use any apps or just what's it on?
Oh, I just edit it in Google Photos,
Oh, I see.
and I do have.
You have the CapCut.
I don't use CapCut. I have Power Director,
I see.
and I use it to like merge the different videos from the day together. But I try not to edit very much because it's a pain, and I want it to be like real live TV. Yeah. You guys love under the picnic table, huh?
yeah,
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Dobby, no. Leave it. Leave it. Not right now. No, you don't need the stick right now. You're playing with the little guy. You think he's going to chase you? Or I'll throw it. Just sit. Ah, let me throw it. Drop it. He might be scared of that big stick. He's like, what's going on here? Hi. Hi. How are you? Let me throw it, Dobby. Little shy first. He loves to tease other dogs and he wants them to chase him or play tug. And that's what he tries to get them to do. It's cute.
Go and play and come check in. It's time to
She's in.
Oh, it's okay, baby. He's not going to hurt you. He just growls for his own stick. Yeah. It's okay. Mm-hmm. It's okay. He's like, Dobby loves to play. He had a tug of war with the littlest dog. It's on my shorts. It's hysterical. The little dog is teeth. He's like pulling. It's the tiniest stick. It's so funny. But I do have some videos from here. I come here, you know. I just go there more because Dobby loves to run and it's so big. There's like 2 different lakes you can walk around. And Dobby fell through the ice when it was like partially frozen. But, so I started avoiding the lakes.
Have you ever go to the one in Poland? Like,
I haven't. I've been told about it, but I haven't been there.
nice one. There's a lot of tree and
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of trees and woods areas that you can walk on the trails or you can walk on the sidewalk. And there's one that goes on the west side. There's one that goes around a field, so it's not near the lake. But I bet you like the water. I bet you like to dip your toes in the water, huh?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
It's so low right now. I mean, like all the area around it, you can walk on now because the water's so freaking low from no precipitation all winter. It's crazy.
this one you can swim.
No, we're not going to let him get in the water.
Dobby just gets in for a drink now, which all the dogs do. But in the summer, he likes to swim.
How old are we this?
Huh?
How old he is?
Oh, he's 2.
He too.
Yeah.
Still really
Still young.
Yeah, he's pretty well taken. Want me to throw it? No? Okay. Well, see. I know, that's your game. Okay. Dobby, it's so windy. Are you ready to go? I'm like, I'm ready to go.
You wanna try this?
I mean, the whole point is to be with dogs.
Right, that's true.
That's the whole point of a dog park. Is to let it sniff
Did you
bugs.
find a little stick? That's a tiny stick, huh? Yeah. Yeah, good fiber. That's what Dobby does too. Oh, come here, guy. He's a strong chewer, to say the least.
He broke that.
Hmm.
Yes.
He just pulled a piece off. Dobby, be nice.
No.
It's okay. He's not going to attack him. He just has that friendly, vicious growl. Vicious, friendly growl. It's like, don't try to get my stick. Do you want this stick? There you go. That's a good size stick for you. Yeah.
Oh, now you enjoyed it.
Oops, almost fell on the ground there. No, it's 2 sticks.
Yeah, it's a good looking dog right here.
What's your dog's name?
Lily?
Lily? I think I've seen her here before. You look familiar. I think I've seen her here before. I just haven't been here for a minute. If you guys want to both squat down with her, I'll get a picture of you. I can send you. Or him, I'm sorry. Hi, how are you? Huh? How are you? It's halfway up the hill. There's an outhouse. Yeah.
I'll go do that.
Just go up to the sidewalk, and where it splits
saw
left
it when
and
we
right,
parked.
it's right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we park, I think it's on it.
I wasn't looking at that time.
That's mine. Yeah. Dobby.
Dobby?
Yeah. He's 2. You want me to throw it? Drop it. Drop it.
You know, one thing that I try to brush him is so hard.
Yeah.
So hard because he's gonna shed soon.
Yeah.
And every time we brush, he's like playing game with us. Like,
Yeah, he thinks it's a game, I'm sure. Hey.
Lily, oh, the girl?
Hi, Lily. Hi, how are you? Is that a pit bull mix?
I probably,
It's
Daughter
cute.
got her at this shelter.
Cute. She's so cute. Dobby's 20% American bully. He loves playing with the bullies. Don't ya? Yeah.
Husky?
Yeah, he's 50% Siberian Husky. Cute.
Yeah.
And then 30% Australian cattle dog.
Can't be too careful.
Yeah, we're supposed to take him to the social class because this is the first time that he, you know, came out to see different dogs. And he did a good job.
Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. How are you?
Because he just got his last shot. Like last
I don't have any treats. Dobby, be nice.
No, but
No, Noble's brave. He's brave. He's like, I'm gonna try from this angle.
oh, he just get away from you, no, but you cannot catch him anymore. You can't jump that far.
You found a stick. Good job. You just try to get up there, huh? It's like, not yet.
The first time he jumped up on the couch, like surprised me. Oh my god!
He jumped on what?
The couch, and then now it's so easy for him to jump on everything
Really? He jumped on your counter?
on the couch.
Oh, on the couch.
Yes, I
Oh,
mean,
okay.
like, day by day,
Yeah.
you know,
It gets
when-
higher and
like,
higher.
when
Hey,
it's summer.
buddy. Hey, how are you? So cute. So curious. Yeah, on the weekend, Chatfield is really busy. I mean, there's a lot of dogs, but during the week, I mean, it depends on the time of day you go and the weather, but like windy like this, there won't be that many people there.
So, but this year is not too bad at all. By this time, it's still warm.
Yeah. Hi. So stinking cute. Dobby, be nice to the little one. Don't look how he's playing. He knows it's a playful girl, huh? Now he's gonna bring it up to you. He wants to play tug. I don't think his mouth is big enough for that stick, Dobby. Yeah, when he goes towards him with it, it's because he wants to play. You'll be right there. You're gonna let him get it to it? Let him get by it. Be nice, Dobby.
Oh.
Shh, quiet, Dobby. Quiet.
This is the first
This is so
time
cute.
when you got him.
Oh my
So
gosh.
cute.
He's darling. He's so little. He's really cute. I mean, he's so little right now.
Yes.
How big is he supposed to get?
About 25.
Yeah, and what's he weigh now?
Halfway.
Hmm?
It's halfway right now.
Yeah,
13.5.
13.5.
Yes.
Okay. It's funny because he's not trying to herd, and he always tries to herd the puppies. And he's not trying to like bite their neck or anything, or their face. He's being very respectful to the little dog. He can't grab it, Dobby. It's too big. Look at his mouth. That's so cute.
Double.
You want me to throw it? Okay. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. I know. Wait. Well, he's very good with other dogs. He's not really the least bit scared. Look at him running. Yeah, you got it, buddy.
Maybe.
He's like all tails all up and happy.
Yeah, for your stick. No. For your stick. For the small one. Kiss. Kiss, kiss.
Oh, 2 minutes.
What a pretty
Dobby, be nice.
Baby.
Dobby, be nice. Be nice to the little one. He wants to play, but he doesn't want you to hurt him or bite his, put his head in your mouth. He doesn't bite, but he's known to put their heads in his mouth. Just gently, ever so gently, huh? You like him? You like Dobby? Yeah.
Like when you first got it here, the tail has got all the way down.
Yeah?
Yes, baby. Oh, Daddy did. That's it.
Who's that?
What's that?
Is that Daddy?
Go get him. Go get him.
Dobby's going. It's your daddy.
Go there.
He's coming. Good. Oh, I'm sorry. He's not stealing your daddy, I promise.
Every dog go there, but
He started to come. He just got. He's like, why did Dobby go instead?
they smell your treat.
Dobby, be nice. Oh, you got near the stick. Almost got it. It's too big for your mouth. And reprieve under the table. It's okay, baby. Yeah, you're okay. What do you think? Too much? Dobby? Dobby! That's enough. Hey, Dobby! No! No, that's enough. That's enough. You be nice. Sorry, he's just playing, but yeah, that's when he gets overexcited. Yeah. He's sorry. We're sorry. We're sorry.
You okay?
It's about time to go home, don't you think? It's so windy.